Anyone from Team Positive, can we invite Catherine Padilla, please?
Hello, Sir Chinky.
Hi, Catherine. Are you there?
Hi. Yes, I am here. Can you hear me?
Where are you from?
I am from Cebu.
Oy, maayong gabi.
Mayong gabi.
O
Yes.
buntag o hapon dili. Thank you kaayo. So, dati what do you used to do?
Well, I was a sales and marketing manager at Waterfront Hotel. And then my husband and we decided to quit our day job. And in 2014, we actually started an e-commerce makeup store. And 6 months after our launch, we were featured in Forbes. So
Wow.
and then right now, after that, we actually did a lot of businesses. We did like a delivery service, and then right now I also have a physical cake shop plus a virtual assistant school. And here in Cebu, I have a physical virtual assistant school, and at the same time, I coach also. So I can really say that the coaching industry, the freelance industry, is an evergreen industry. So yeah, and
How
yes.
much capital ang imong nilabas nung kayo ay nag-umpisa? How much yung sa ano, 'di ba, yung first yung ano?
Sa ano po, sa e-commerce?
Oo, magkano?
Actually, we just I cannot remember searching key, but we just like did a website because my husband is a web designer and SEO coach as well. So that was like the low 1,000 lang searching key. And then I did drop shipping. Nag-contact ako ng mga yung mga suppliers na pwedeng mag-dropship. So I did not any have warehouse, so wala talagang
Walang puhunan
brand,
din yun.
walang products sa akin at
Oo.
on hand. Yeah, so that's what we did. So that was really nice experience for us, and so what ano lang, low capital at that time. Yeah. Yes.
So, yung nakita mo yung benefit at saka yung returns, 'di ba? Sobrang ganda.
Yes, that's true po, Sir Chinky. Yes.
Kaya would you confirm yung sinasabi ko talaga na another way of earning talaga with low capital is getting into yun nga yung parang freelancing?
Yes, freelancing too. Yes. Yes po, Sir
Oo.
Chinky. The best po.
So thank you very much. Thank you very much for sharing your
Thank you din
experience.
po, Sir Chinky. Thank you. Glad to share.